never ever break down. But here I am sweeping pieces off of the ground. You said you'd never ever play, but you crossed. But I've seen you hoping to play songs to him now. I've spent all night long scared of tomorrow, broke my alarm. Everything's almost lost. Pick it up slow before it's gone. Wish I'd have known.
I never thought I'd be so fragile.
You're not alone.
It didn't break before it's about to.
We've been here before.
I don't ever wanna change. I'm fragile. I don't ever.
Some of the people opponents are giving an opinion, never do get it. I want you to come on and gobble it to me and die. Need to be given the remedy and why? Critics are really the enemy and can't stand the way they slam today's gifted. Evan incredible get fanned away with grants to pay. This gem will a scripted, definite impeccable. Right around, I'm gonna put everything in a flow. I'm the non, look very me when I flow. Scribalometer, he's never been at a show. By the times it'll be better living in the stove. Cause they wrote another my lies, quotes stuck in my eyes, image a writer dissing. He's a beginner in hopes for your demise. Folks, some of despise, never do try to listen. It's real, I'm mad. Clueless when you scribble on your pad. How you gonna criticize with a chisel on your ass, sizzle in your ass? You don't really get why I'm so pissed, understand this. Understand this. I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit. Yes, I'm
Fragile.
Wish I'd have known.
I never thought I'd be so fragile.
You're not alone.
It didn't break before it's about to.
We've been here before.
I don't ever wanna change. I'm fragile. I don't ever.
Tell me that I'm famous, tell me that my name is big as Venus, Jupiter than Uranus. Tell me that your anus got your head in it. I can smell the articles and know you're heinous. Tell me that you love me, always thinking of me, unconditional. I'm hoping I'm your favorite. Grab a fishing pole and throw me with a shark. That's the feeling I get when you're concentrating on this pen, on this pad. Tell me you willing to disown my craft. Tell me the feeling of picking apart this track. Putting my heart and my soul in these lines, telling me platinum and gold all the time. Looking to bury a deep hole for my job. This is more than you and this is more than you and your entire blood is slander and abuse. And what I call a real is coming from a student. Tell myself to use a poem as a ooze, an empty magazine. I seen a magazine, you see my trigger finger, then I started shooting. That was nicotine, I'm about to smoke them all. A journalist involved, you should've known my memory.